Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Beast. Today we're going to investigate some of the coolest gadgets for your room that are worth buying, and they will make your everyday far more enjoyable and pleasant. As technology advances, so do the gadgets around us, and right now is the best time to think about making your home a smart home. Take a look at the gadgets that we picked that we think will be the best fit for your room. But before we kick off, please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell button so you're always up to date with our very best content. 1. The Levitating Cloud Lamp. This wonderful, decorative and functional levitating cloud lamp brings all the thunder but none of the rain of a summer storm to your home's interior. This floating cloud lamp is like a mini version of a thunderstorm for your coffee table, setting the perfect mood for your coffee. The project is a collaboration between the two companies, merging the innovative levitation technology developed by Coway with the form, and as like the other versions, the Richardson Clark studio are the ones behind its operation and functioning systems. This smart little creative lamp is replete with lights, motion sensors, microphones and a powerful speaker system. The floating lamp can levitate 2.75 inches, around 70 millimeters off its base, and contains an embedded microphone that senses the sound of the environment, allowing for it to visually respond to music or voices in 4 different lighting styles. The poofy outer layer completes the illusion that we're looking at a cloud, and could be a great way to entertain your guests. 2. The Coway AP1512HH Air Purifier. This great air purifier can impact your life so positively. The Coway AP1512HH, often just called by its nickname, the Mighty. The Mighty has a unique design and ion filtration technology that sets it apart from other purifiers. That's impressive, considering this model features an automatic air quality sensor that indicates the current air quality, blue, purple or red, and adjusts the fan speed accordingly, and comes with a HEPA filter and 4-stage filtration system. It has an eco mode which will turn completely off when the air quality is clean for 30 minutes, reducing the energy consumption and keeping running costs down. Within 30 minutes, this air purifier reduces heavy smoke pollution in a 135 square foot, 1200 cubic foot New York office by as much as 98.9%. As tested by the California EPA, this mighty air purifier won't produce significant ozone. Coway AP1512HH will work with smart plugs. You can use this smart thing or Alexa compatible plugs, for example. To control it, you can use the app, adjust the settings, adjust the schedule and routines. 3. The Clean Mist Digital Humidifier. It's best to keep indoor humidity levels between 30 and 50%. Dry air can be problematic for both babies and adults with asthma or sinus problems. If the air in your home is too dry, or if you're suffering from respiratory issues, then you'll benefit from a humidifier. The Air Innovation Clean Mist Digital Humidifier can be the perfect humidifier for your room. The sleek design and nozzle extensions in this humidifier is perfect for discreet humidifying. It comes in a variety of colours to match your decor. It claims to humidify rooms up to 600 square feet for 96 hours continuously. It has 5 different mist settings, and you can add essential oils into the air along with some extra moisture, as it has an oil diffusing aromatherapy tray. It monitors the humidity levels with the built-in Humidistat and can be controlled with a remote. 4. Aware Element. Aware is one of the most popular names in the world of environment and air control monitor. The Aware Element is the latest indoor air quality monitor from Aware. The monitor blends seamlessly into household decor and is dim enough at night to be placed by your bedside. The Aware tracks and reports on 5 key categories: fine particles, VOC, temperatures, humidity, and CO2. The current level for each of these factors is displayed on a scale of 1 to 5 dots. A single dot indicates the factor is at a healthy level, while 5 would indicate levels are unhealthy. An overall air quality score is displayed as a numerical value between 0 and 100 on the far right. It also syncs with the Aware app to provide real-time feedback, tracking, and tips to help improve the air quality of your home. You can also integrate it with Alexa or Google Home and control the air quality of your home by your voice. 5. The Nest Learning Thermostat. Smart thermostats do more than manage your home's heating and cooling. The best thermostats will have an outsized impact not only on how comfortable you are in your home, but also on your household budget. This product of Google is one of the best looking smart thermostats. Its rounded design harkens back to old school thermostats, but the device has a modern look that fits in with all home decor. Nest uses technologies to figure out your daily schedule as well as your heating and cooling preferences to reduce energy usage and save you money. The device on your wall lights up when you walk in the room and shows you the temperature, weather or time. It supports voice integration with Google Assistant and Alexa too. 6. The IKEA Filter. With smart blinds, you can control your shades with a single click, while automated schedules free you from the hassle of setting the blinds multiple times a day. The IKEA Filter is a perfect and great choice for small blinds, combining sleek design, easy controls and affordability. With these IKEA smart blinds installed in your home, you'll be able to control the lights in your room with the touch of a button. The Filter lineup is available in 10 different sizes, with widths ranging from 23 to 48 inches. The main part of the brunette battery pack that comes with each shade is replaceable. Controls are executed with the included remote control, IKEA Home app, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. If you're looking for the best smart blinds that come from a trusted brand, then IKEA line of Filter blinds are the right product for you. 7. The Anarchy. The wireless charging technology is stepping forward, and this gadget is a prime example. You could simply make your tabletop a wireless charging station. The Anarchy Invisible Fast Wiring Charger gives you just that ability. This next generation of wireless charging station is offering you a unique charging experience. This device hides below the table, therefore you can merely rest your device on top of it and it charges your device wirelessly. The charging station helps devices power up faster. Featuring a no-construction design, Anarchy attaches under any surface using its reusable, adhesive or screw mounts. This device can charge through any non-metal surface. Thick cases up to 42mm, turning your furniture into a fast wireless charging station. With a concealed look, just place one of the 150 compatible smart devices onto your side table or desk and begin fast charging. Pretty neat. 8. Foot hammocks. Spending hours at your desk can make you feel strained, lead to bad posture and limit circulation. You change your very expensive chair every year and the results are the same. It's time to try something new. You need something that can lift your feet and rest at comfortable levels under your desk while increasing blood flow. A desk foot hammock is the best solution. Desk hammocks are a fabulous buy for professionals and students alike, especially those who enjoy stretching out their legs throughout the day. If you're worried about fastening a hammock properly, then great news. There are models with universal mounting technology. There are varieties of desk hammocks available where some come with extra thick foam padding while others provide minimalist construction. If you're looking to work more comfortable at your desk or just need some relief from existing health problems, a foot hammock may well be the solution for you. 9. The Songmix Bamboo 2. Unless you have a height adjustable desk, chances are your computer monitor sits about neck height. This convention impacts your posture, energy levels, and overall health by causing you to slouch in your seat while you're at work. Try this monitor stand riser. It elevates your monitor or laptop to a more comfortable position, reducing neck and eye strain while providing a better viewing experience. This versatile monitor stand riser is also a perfect storage organizer. It has some slots and boards to cope up with various storage demands such as organising your cell phone, pens, sticky notes, paper clips, etc. It has a spacious lower shelf which can be used to store keyboards, cooling fans, books and folders. Made of 100% bamboo, it can be used to support heavier devices such as printers or an iMac. 10. The i2 USB reading lamp. Whenever you work or study at night, the one thing you need the most of is light. The conventional lights and lamps are now replaced by LED lights, and the efficient light output, durability and convenience to use make people go for LED lights. So, the i2 USB reading lamp could be the perfect addition to your room. This device features a stylish and contemporary look. It features a perfectly flexible gooseneck arm that can be adjusted to how you desire to focus the light right where you need it. It is lightweight and portable too. The brightness of the lights is also adjustable, letting you set just how you need it on any occasion. It is compatible with the USB ports on your laptop, desktop or Macs. It also has a quick touch light switch, which means you can switch it off while it's still plugged in. 11. The Sonic Boom. Alarm clocks are like referees. They're necessary, but we get annoyed at them just for doing their jobs. If you're finding yourself sleeping long after your alarm goes off for the 4th, 5th, 6th time, then we have the perfect alarm clock for you. The Sonic Bomb Alarm Clock and Bed Shaker, manufactured by Sonic Alert, shakes your bed to wake you up. Plug the clock into an outlet. Put the alarm under your mattress or pillow, and the bed shaker might finally wake you up. Don't want to disturb others? You can turn off the volume of the clock and awaken with the adjustable strength bed shaker. This heavy working alarm clock has nearly 6,000 5-star reviews from reviewers who appreciate its serious volume and bed shaking option. The clock offers 2 alarms and plenty of customization. The controls are easy enough to figure out. 12. Miracle. The first thing many of us do when we wake up is turn to the mirror. Wouldn't it be great if your mirror could respond to one's presence and could provide you with upcoming events, the weather, and some motivational sayings? These are some of the services that Miracle can provide. It performs as an automated personal assistant, which claims consumers may go through their morning routine efficiently and positively. This smart mirror is equipped with advanced facial gesture recognition technology and turns on by simply seeing you stand in front of it. 13. The Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. In this increasingly busy world where many of us use multitask, it could be easy to forget about that refreshing hot coffee and let it go cold. Microwaving tends to leach the flavour right out of your brew. You deserve a hot coffee, tea or beverage without using a microwave. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug can be the perfect choice for that. Once charged, the battery of this 10-ounce Ember Smart Mug will keep your coffee hot all on its own for about an hour. You can also place the mug on an included charging coaster for all-day use. Use the Ember app on your smartphone to set the ideal temperature, customise presets for different beverages, set timers for perfectly steeped cups of tea, and even receive notifications when your drink has reached the perfect temperature. This classic design smart mug conceals the heating system so your hands are safe from any kind of burn upon touching. 14. The TPLink Casa Smart Home Wi-Fi Plug. Smart home devices are replacing the old technology in our houses. But what about the stuff in our homes that isn't smart yet? Well, this is where the smart plug-in steps in. Smart plugs are an easy and affordable way to upgrade ordinary electronics into smart home devices that you can control straight from your smartphone. So, if you've plugged in a lamp with a smart plug, you can turn it on and off no matter where you are. TP-Link Casa Smart Wi-Fi Plug is one of the best in the business. This smart Wi-Fi plug comes with an easy-to-use app, monitors your energy consumption in kilowatt hours, and works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for voice commands via your Wi-Fi router and Wi-Fi network. This is a great way to expand your smart home in one app if you like this plug. And 15. The Amazon Basics Shredder. For every tax document you need to file or save, you'll be left with half a dozen or so that you should have junked, some of them containing sensitive financial information. So, it's more important to make sure that our private and sensitive documents are disposed of securely. Paper shredders allow you to properly dispose of the documents. The Amazon Basics is a good choice for up to heavy-duty use for your room. This paper shredder can handle both stacks of documents, as well as credit cards to keep your personal and business information safe from unwanted access. Features an easy-to-use power switch to activate the automatic continuous shred mode, and a manual reverse mode to clear paper jams. This paper shredder's compact size allows you to keep it under a desk or printing cart for easy access when it's needed. There are some cool gadgets shown in this video, and we would like to know which ones you would add to your shopping cart. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.